Bilastine is an antihistamine that helps relieve allergy symptoms like sneezing and itching. Walthers indicated bilastine to be quickly absorbed in the fasting state, but its absorption tends to slow down when the drug is taken with food. The oral bioavailability of bilastine was reduced by 30% and bent 25% for high fat and low fat present in the food, respectively. Therefore, it is recommended for this drug to be administered either at least 1 hour before or no sooner than 2 hours after a meal. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more pharma lectures and comments are welcome. Bilastine does not undergo any significant metabolization and it does not interact with cytochrome P450